Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can access Gemini 3.5 Flash, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Gemini website by Google. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Gemini chat interface where you can start using Google's AI tools. Gemini 3.5 Flash is now available through the Gemini app and is designed to provide fast responses, strong reasoning, and improved performance for everyday tasks and coding. In many regions, it is available as the default model inside Gemini, so you may already be using it automatically. If you see a model selector at the top of the screen, click on it and choose Gemini 3.5 Flash if it's listed. If you don't see the option yet, make sure your account is updated and check again later, because Google rolls out features gradually to different users and regions. You can also access Gemini 3.5 Flash through Google AI Studio if you want to test prompts, build projects, or use the Gemini API for development. Simply sign in with your Google account and select the Gemini 3.5 Flash model from the available options. Once you have access, just type your question or task into the chat box and Gemini will generate a response within seconds. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.